In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this authentication error on ChatGPT. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are experiencing this error, then most likely your app has experienced a glitch or you're trying to use the wrong details. You might also get this error if ChatGPT has encountered an internal problem, as well as if you have a problem with your app as well as your phone. To fix any of this, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To fix this problem, first you want to ensure that you are trying to log into a ChatGPT with your correct details, that is your correct email address or your login account or email. However, if your login details are okay but you're still getting this error, then check if you are using any VPN. You will need to turn it off, and also if you have installed any security app lately or any proxy app, you might want to turn it off or uninstall it and see if that fixes the problem. If that doesn't fix, then the problem might be with the app itself. For that, you need to access the app info page by going to settings, and from settings go to apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps that you have on your phone. From the list, just search for ChatGPT, and if you tap on it, now you'll be on the app info page. Here you want to go to force stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache like that, and okay, and finally clear all data. Now once you are done, restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted, now if you go to ChatGPT, now it should be working without any issue. However, should this not work, then you want to check if we have an update of the latest version of ChatGPT, as this might be caused by using an outdated version of ChatGPT. Update your app to the latest version, and now your app should be up and running without any issue. Finally, if there is no solution in sight, then most likely ChatGPT has encountered a server error, and for that you'll need to check back after some few minutes, restart your smartphone, and now everything should be okay when you open your ChatGPT app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.